Welcome to Learn with Priyanka. Question 51. You are analyzing customer purchases in a Fabric notebook by using PySpark. You have the following data frames. Transactions contains 5 columns named Transaction ID, Customer ID, Product ID, Amount and Date, and has 10 million rows, with each row representing a transaction. Customers contains customer details in 1,000 rows and 3 columns named Customer.ID, Name, and Country. You need to join the data frames on the Customer.ID column. The solution must minimize data shuffling. You write the following code. Which code should you run to populate the results data frame? Pause the video, carefully review each option and its corresponding code, and then check the answer. The correct answer is option A. Why answer A is correct? If you see it uses the broadcast join function, which is a technique used in Spark to minimize data shuffling. In a broadcast join, the smaller data frame, customers in this case, with only 1,000 rows, is broadcasted to each node in the cluster. This means that Spark sends a copy of the smaller data frame to each executor node in the cluster. The larger data frame, transactions, with 10 million rows, does not need to be shuffled across the network. Since customers is much smaller than transactions, broadcasting it will significantly reduce the amount of data that needs to be shuffled during the join process. This makes the join operation faster and more efficient. Let's see why other options are incorrect. Option B. Firstly, this does not utilize broadcast join, which means there could be significant data shuffling as Spark tries to co-locate records with the same customer ID from both data frames on the same node. The distinct in the code does not contribute to reducing shuffling and is aimed at removing duplicate records, which is not specified as a requirement. Option C uses a simple join, and similar to option B, this approach performs a simple join without utilizing broadcast, leading to potential inefficiencies due to data shuffling across the cluster. So this is incorrect. Option D uses cross-join, and this performs a cross-join, that is the Cartesian product between the 2 data frames, and then filters the result based on the customer ID match. This approach is highly inefficient because it initially combines all rows of transactions with all rows of customers, resulting in a significant computational overhead before filtering them, making it the least efficient method for this requirement. By broadcasting the smaller data frame and directly joining on the matching column, option A leverages Spark's optimization techniques to handle large datasets efficiently, reducing network traffic and execution time. Thus, option A is the best and correct answer choice. See you with another question. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.